In this video, I'll guide you through how to sync Timetree with your existing calendar apps, using Google Calendar as the example. By the end, your events will flow automatically from Google Calendar into Timetree, so you don't have to enter everything twice. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that has the calendar you want to sync. It's easier to do this on a computer because we'll be accessing some settings that are a bit hidden on mobile. Once your Google Calendar loads, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the settings menu. Click on that gear icon, and from the drop-down that appears, choose Settings. This will take you to the main settings page for Google Calendar. On the left side, you'll see a sidebar with various options and a list of your calendars. Click on the calendar you want to sync with Timetree so that its specific settings open. In that calendar's settings, look for a section called Integrate Calendar. Go ahead and click or scroll down to that section. In the Integrate Calendar area, you'll see different links and options. What we need is the public address in iCal format. This is a special type of link that lets other apps like Timetree read your calendar events. Find the line that mentions public address in iCal format, then click into that field and copy the entire link. You can right-click and choose copy or use your usual keyboard shortcut. Now keep that link in your clipboard and open a new browser tab. In the new tab, go to timetreeapp.com. Sign into your Timetree account if you're not already logged in so you can access your calendars. Once you're in Timetree on the web, look for the option to create or manage public calendars. Click on Public Calendar. A public calendar in Timetree allows external calendars like Google Calendar via that iCal link to connect in. You'll likely see some information about what a public calendar is and how it works. Read through it if you'd like, then click Agree to accept the terms. After that, click Create Public Calendar to set up a new one that will receive events from Google Calendar. After the public calendar is created, scroll down the page until you see a field labeled something like Website. This is where Timetree expects an external calendar link. Click into that website field, then paste the iCal URL you copied earlier from Google Calendar. Double check that the entire link has been pasted with no extra spaces at the front or end. Once everything looks correct, click Save. This tells Timetree to start using that iCal link to pull in events from your Google Calendar. From now on, your Google Calendar events should begin appearing in your Timetree public calendar. There may be a short delay before everything shows up, and updates can sometimes take a few minutes to sync, so don't worry if you don't see changes instantly. That's all you need to do to connect Google Calendar to Timetree and keep your schedule synced across apps.